Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are managing multiple accounts, whether for different strategies, clients, or personal diversification, switching between them manually can be a hassle, right? But do not worry, MetaTrader 4's multi-terminal is available to simplify your trading life. Okay, so in this video I'm just going to be showing you how to set up and use the MetaTrader 4 multi-terminal to efficiently manage multiple accounts at the same time. Now you're going to be learning how to place trades across multiple accounts, the key features of this powerful tool, and tips to make account management seamless. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials. Okay, so let's just get started. So what exactly is MetaTrader 4 Multi-Terminal? Now, it's a special version of MT4 designed to let traders manage multiple trading accounts from one platform. Instead of logging in and out of different accounts, multi-terminal lets you control all of them at once. You can execute buy and sell orders across multiple accounts simultaneously, saving time and effort. Now, also, it's a great tool for money managers, prop traders, or anyone handling multiple trading accounts. Okay, now that you know why it is useful, let's just go step by step on how to set it up. All right, now before you start using multi-terminal, you need to download and install it, and here is how. So you just need to head to your broker's website or the official MetaTrader 4 site. Okay, then you search for MetaTrader 4 multi-terminal. All right, and you download the installation file. So you can see here I already searched for it, and you can see here download MetaTrader 4 multi-terminal. So I'm just going to download it, and we're going to be installing it right away. Okay, we're going to be installing it right away. So this is the multi-terminal setup. We're just going to install it, the MetaTrader 4 multi-terminal. All right, once you download it, just run the installation file, and follow the setup instructions. Okay, you can see we're done. So once installed, open the multi-terminal. All right, once installed, open the multi-terminal. It's going to look similar to standard MT4, but with added features for multiple account management, right? Okay, so you can see that this is the MetaTrader 4 multi-terminal. All right, this is the MetaTrader 4 multi-terminal. So here you can see you can be able to add an account. Just fill in your account details. You can actually log into your first account. Then you can come to file, you click on new account, you put the credentials for that account. You can add multiple login details for the trading accounts that you want to manage. Okay, you can add demo or live accounts from the same or different brokers, as long as they support MT4. Okay, so once connected, you'll see all your accounts listed on the left panel. Right on the left panel, you're going to see all your accounts. So I'm just downloading this terminal right now in this video. So I don't have any accounts logged in yet. Okay, so but what if you have downloaded it? If you have multiple accounts that you want to log into, you can just log into each of them, and then you're going to see your accounts listed on the left panel. Now you're ready to start trading across multiple accounts from one place. So now that your accounts are connected, you know how to if you want to place trades across multiple accounts at once, you would have to open a new order window. Okay, so first of all, let me just so basically you're okay. If you want to place trades, just like how the regular MetaTrader 4 platform is, just click on new order, and then but in that case, if you click on new order, then you're going to select the particular account, right, that you want to execute the order on. Yeah, and you choose whether to place the trade on all accounts or specified ones. You set your parameters. Basically, you select your currency pair, the volume, the order type, whether it is instant execution or pending orders. Ensure you always set your stop losses, take profit levels, and all of that. You execute your trade. All right. So the multi-terminal is really a nice tool, right? It's really a nice tool, okay, especially for fund managers handling multiple accounts with different trade sizes. Okay, so it's actually a very, very nice tool. Now, to get the most out of MetaTrader 4 Multi-Terminal, here are some best practices, okay? Use group trading. All right, if you manage different strategies, group accounts by strategy type for better organization. Okay, and then always monitor your account balances. All right, different accounts may have different capital, so keep an eye on equity and margin levels, and also adjust your trade allocations. Use the proportional mode to adjust lot sizes according to account balances. All right, and don't forget to set alerts and notifications. Okay, don't forget to set alerts and notifications. Stay updated on account activity by setting alerts for trade executions and account movements. So by following these tips, you will make managing multiple accounts a smooth and efficient process. Now, before we wrap up, here are some common mistakes traders make with multi-terminal. All right, and it's important you avoid them. Okay, so avoid placing large trades without checking account sizes. Always check if all accounts have enough margin before executing a big trade. All right, and it is bad for you not to test before going live. Okay, before live trade. So always use a demo setup first to ensure everything is working correctly. And do not forget to monitor your open trades. Okay, just because trades are placed automatically does not mean you should ignore them. Now, it's also important not to ignore broker restrictions. Some brokers may limit certain functions in multi-terminal, so check their policies. All right, now by avoiding these mistakes, you'll make the most of MT4 Multi-Terminal without unnecessary risks. And that is a wrap on how to manage multiple accounts with MetaTrader 4's Multi-Terminal. Are you using multi-terminal, or are you planning to try it? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth trading tutorials. Okay, turn on notifications so you never miss an update. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.